Whakaalofatu mākou, welcome back. Back here with my mom. Every Sunday come here. Again, you already know, but if you didn't know, back every Sunday to aonga e wangahau Niue. Practice my wangahau Niue with my mom. Morning, mom.
Whakalawhalahi atu ma John. Tō taha e fulufuruala e pongipongi, ma whana mo e kikila foki e la. Si koe ngā hua e ha mau mo John he tō pongipongi tapu osi. Koe o wiko i Kelenenese, hake he St. Helier Bay Road, si whāno mai e ki St. John's, si hifu mai e mene liu mai te ia e mene ki kaina. Kua kawakawa dei he o hui. Hei a mawhala e aho tapu hamtoru kia, manatu ke kai e tau, mena kai ne longa e tau lanu ke kehe, whawhau e sino, inu whakalahe e tau walawai, sia ke tau vai fizzy drink. E mitaki e tau vai, e tau uange ke he tau whanau. Hei a si moa ta mga aho ke oki mo e mahe ai. Manatu foki ke whakakiakia ate tau mamatua ha tau tolu. Mua atu he monei ka hane tō lahi e puke namo e vai ke wharu a tau matakawi. Si maona e tau whale halo tolu. Ai whai mana ke nonofo ai. Whai tangata foki kua mamase alo tolu. Hako e puke namo he vai ke wharu a tau matakawi he motu nei ko Nisilani. Lauia ai foki wharu ha tau tangata, ha tau tolu a tau tangata niwe ke puke namo he vai. Hei a ki a mrine aho, mo e whaitapu ne ono ki ai. Ai, ono e mtakare o reo ia wa fufu no he whanui. Ai roa hako, he ngoi te mena tutupu i mua i greni nesi. Mrine aho kia?
Slow. Yep. Langona au ke wangahau e matua whiwhine haku. Ki ilo au e wangahau Niue. I like coming every Saturday, Sunday morning to listen to my mum speak Niue, so I can kind of get more words under my vocabulary.
Like that word fufu.
Like fufu. Fufu, some people know what fufu means, but how she used it was the police car was going fufu, which was going fast. Not fufu something else fast, fufu car driving fast. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. You know, if you're watching this, put down in the comments how's your wangahau Niue going, or if you're learning, how's it going? You winning? Are you Niuean, or what ethnicity are you? Put it down in the comments, I'd like to know. Okay, whakaoe, te whilawea. Whakaalofatu mākou. We're back for the last training. Kids are here. We're a bit early. Uncle Edie's just arrived, so last training, and then this Saturday is the, hey, how are you? Saturday is the athletics day, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, okay. Whakaalofatu mākou. I'm here at the netball courts, hakupu training. Our Uncle Edie's training us, and he's a hard trainer, but a good trainer. Just me and my brother Christian showed up. Gassed. Yeah. Yep, we're at the Pakuranga netball courts. Just waiting. There's my brother Christian there. Right there. And Hector. Alright, back to the training. Whakaalofatu mākou, welcome back. I'm here, back at the Takalo practice at the Tapak building, but man, it's full cause there's matatini. There's some shuttles. If you look here, all the parks full, road closed, and they're meeting up down there Crazy. Crazy. Matatini going hard, heaps of supporters. They're all catching the shuttle here to go to Eden Park. Lots of families, good vibe. Man, so yeah, and me and the boys are just coming here to practice. So lots of cool people. Alright, we'll go and see how practice goes. Another thing, yeah, there was some flash flooding yesterday. Came out of nowhere. Another flood. All good. Okay. See you.